For many languages, please visit suprememastertv.com/schedule.
Nos programmes offrent plusieurs langues. Veuillez visiter suprememastertv.com/schedule.
Nuestros programas ofrecen varios idiomas. Visite suprememastertv.com/schedule.
Programele noastre oferă multe limbi. Vă puteți uita pe suprememastertv.com/schedule.
This is so beautiful because they combine, and just tastes great together. Very simple and nutritious. Easy to make, easy to digest, easy to enjoy. Okay, you want anything else?
No, thank you, Master. That was wonderful.
Yeah, I'm full.
Happy?
Oh, yeah.
Wonderful. Me too. I truly am happy with my food.
Biscotti with vegan spread, sweet and sour cucumber, deep-fried seaweed with white rice and sesame. Part 2 of 2 on A Gift of Love. Simple and nutritious cooking with Supreme Master Ching Hai, vegan. Watch on to find out more.
J is an Aymara word, which means hello. Aymara is the third most spoken language in Peru. I am Veronica. The diligent people of historical Peru, thank you for being a blessing for our world. May heavens illuminate all our lives. Welcome to A Gift of Love, simple and nutritious cooking with Supreme Master Ching Hai, vegan. In our spiritual life on earth, Supreme Master Ching Hai teaches us the highest method, the Kuan method, which enables our souls to be liberated from the cycle of birth and death. In our daily lives, Supreme Master Ching Hai reminds us to live a meaningful, saintly life with purity and compassion. She shares the art of vegan cuisine so that we may bring a warm and loving atmosphere to our families and friends over food. Her loving cuisine is not only nutritious and healthy, but also helps our consciousness to be in harmony with nature and full of benevolence for all beings.
Si nous voulons apporter le paradis sur la terre, nous devons vivre comme les êtres du paradis. C'est-à-dire vivre d'une façon harmonieuse en respectant la liberté et le droit de vivre de chacun. Les 5 préceptes et le régime végétarien, il s'agit seulement d'un style de vie juste et noble, celui d'un gentleman, d'un sage possédant compassion et grandeur, et dont l'amour inclut toutes les créatures. Étant l'être le plus élevé de toute la création, nous pouvons distribuer cette grâce en préservant la vie dans le monde où nous vivons. Et c'est cela, contribuer à la paix sur la terre. C'est cela, l'amour, la gentillesse en action.
Supreme Master Ching Hai encourages and promotes veganism as a noble way of living. She personally designed the Alternative Living Flyer and launched a global campaign to share this peaceful and loving message with the world.
If we want to truly lead a life of love thy neighbor our neighbors should include our animal friends, especially since they harm us in no way. They only beautify our lives. They are loving, and they make our lives more lively, colorful, and interesting. We should preserve them, watch them, love them, and enjoy their presence. God has made it clear. Yes, says, I made all the animals to befriend you, help you.
Through her teachings, millions of people have become vegetarian or vegan, changing their way of thinking in regards to the sentient nature of our animal friends. With boundless love, Supreme Master Ching Hai sets aside her precious time and demonstrates a few simple and aesthetically appetizing dishes. With heartfelt gratitude, we sincerely thank Supreme Master Ching Hai for sharing with us these wonderful vegan dishes and easy cooking tips. Today we joyfully present Supreme Master Ching Hai's biscotti with vegan spread, sweet and sour cucumber, deep fried seaweed with white rice and sesame, part 2 of 2. We learned how to make biscotti with vegan spread and sweet and sour cucumber last Sunday in part 1 of this show. Now let's watch how to fry the seaweed.
Now we can fry our seaweed, right? The seaweed, of course, you buy in the supermarket. It's very thin, like paper. Now, I have here 3 pieces. The one that you use for sushi or similar kind is fine. We can like cut it into decent pieces using scissors. Not too long, because so it can be easily handled. About your finger size, your finger length is good enough, and you cut them into 2 finger size. 2-3 fingers, fine. We'll keep it there. Or you can just tear it into pieces like this. It's fine also. Yeah. You can cut them into triangle tranches. Keep it ready now. And you will use either chopstick or something to grab the seaweed. You put in only 2-3 pieces at a time because it will burn very fast. The oil is heated to the high temperature and it will burn very fast. Put it on a little low first, and in case it burns, you can get used to the temperature and then you put more and more. I just cut a few pieces of bell pepper for decoration, just to make it look good on your plate and appetizing. Also, of course, you can eat it, huh? What do you think? You can eat this. I just prepare the plate, and when the seaweed is ready, we put them on. You eat it with white rice or brown rice, is fine. And sprinkle some sesame powder on it. Or, whole sesame. Toast it. It's good. There's some more for color. For the kids, they like color. Voila. I have soaked them in salty water and washed them well already. Nice. Check the oil now. It's hot enough. We're gonna fry it now. All we do is just get hold of one piece and fry it. You just count to 4. You put 1 or 2 pieces in there and heat the oil and count 1, 2, 3, 4, and you take them out. And put it on the kitchen towel or a plate so that the oil will be absorbed with it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Get it out. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's it. See that? 1, 2, 3, 4. Get it out quick. Otherwise, it would taste bitter. It will burn. Right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Take it out. You can grab 2, 3, 4 pieces at one time and put it in the deep fry oil and get it out. Put them out a little separately so the oil will be absorbed. It will look just like this. It curls up a little bit. It's smaller than the way you have cut it before. It shrunk. You can count 4 or 5. Don't leave it in too long. Like 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It depends on how hot your oil is. If it goes like this immediately, that means the oil is very hot. So it's good enough to count to 4 or 5. Seaweed is very nutritious, according to research. We're done now. That should be enough. It will be crispy like potato chips. So all we do is prepare a plate of rice, put it on top, and sesame, and then we can eat it. All right. We can either sprinkle the sesame powder now on top, and it's still hot and oily and wet, or we can sprinkle it directly on rice later. And it's just aromatic and also very, very nutritious. Hey guys.
Hi.
I just invite you to taste the banquet. You guys can sit there.
Okay, great.
In that bench together. Yeah. And first you can taste the appetizer.
Sure.
Pray, thank God before you eat. Listen to your mama here.
Yes.
Like usual.
Yes.
You pick what you like, huh? Okay.
Yes, sure.
Yeah. And then you can eat the rice. It's simple and nice, huh? The biscotti.
Very nice,
Yeah.
very nice.
The biscotti. You can spread anything on it, and it tastes nice in any case. Who say vegan is not exciting? Huh? Yes, very, very exciting indeed. And you see all the color we use from the vegetable kingdom and fruit kingdom, they are really out of this world. You can have all kinds of things, and it's so nice. If you like something else, I can make some more appetizers. It's just for the viewers. And you guys are kind of models only, yeah? So don't dream that you're going to eat all that. Oh, you will. You're welcome to all that. It's too much for my breakfast anyway. I haven't eaten breakfast, so that shall be my breakfast. And lunch and dinner, perhaps, together. Or at least breakfast and lunch. Brunch. Help yourself.
Thank you.
You eat the rice with the deep fried seaweed,
Okay.
which is the black thing, and sesame there. And the sweet and sour cucumber. It's fresh.
Thank you.
Of course, you can eat the mango afterward. Mango and other stuff, yeah. You can put more sesame if you want. Hmm?
Sweet.
The sweet and sour stuff there.
Yeah,
Yeah.
looks good.
The sweet and sour cucumber. If you want the liquid. It's okay? You have to put some soya sauce on it, huh?
Yes.
And the cucumber you have, right? They are good combination, okay? With sesame powder. Toasted sesame is nice, huh? Tell you. And the biscotti that you ate, was it good?
Very delicious.
Yeah, delicious.
Fantastic.
And you know, it also acts as the absorbent, because if you eat something not good, your stomach feels a little upset, you eat the biscotti. Or burnt toast. But sometimes you're on the road, you don't have a chance to burn the toast.
Yes.
So you just buy some biscotti like that, the toasted bread, dry bread, and eat it with anything or alone with some tea or water, and then your stomach feels better. It absorbs all the poison, you know, as much as it can. So in case you eat something you don't feel well, you just eat some biscotti later on. It's good, isn't it? Simple and nice.
What is the black one?
The black one is olive. Try it. Olive paste. Take it, take it. We have more. I can make more later.
I taste.
It's for eating. Whatever else you like, you tell me. I make some more.
Yes, thank you. I love olives, so this is...
Yeah? There's the olive paste. You can buy them anywhere and just spread it on, baby. That's it. Of course, it's nice also with French bread, huh? But I like it with biscotti. One is a little oily, and one is dry and absorbent, and it doesn't feel too oily in your stomach either. It's kind of a good combination. It cancels each other out and tastes good without gaining weight. You guys won't gain weight, I guess. Wait until you like me, then you start to worry. I'm not worried either. I don't have much time to eat so much, so that cancels out too. And if someday I'm too busy, I can't eat for 1 day, 2 days, wow, that's fantastic. I just lose the weight. And then another day I have time, I eat a lot, so it's fine. Or not eat a lot. So I never worry so much. Everything is natural, eh? So you're enjoying it, huh?
Yes, yes.
Wonderful. Bless you. Being such a good customer. You have a chance to be invited again and again. If you're easy to please. Anywhere you go, you're welcome, eh? Good. But these are good things, you know, my goodness. You would welcome yourself in any case. I hope the viewers will also be enjoying this, because it's so simple to make. Are you want some of this?
Sure, those.
There you
My
are.
favorite.
Oh, it's good for you. And you can eat the rest of this as well.
Thank you.
I can make a new one anytime. And then you can have some more of this seaweed, yeah? You know, I like the bigger plate. It's better for
It looks nice.
for decoration. It's better when you have a big plate. It's easier to spread out things. When it's hot and crispy, it's nice.
Like a variation of a French fry.
Yeah. But more nutritious, I guess. I'm going to try and see if it's good. If you guys cheat me or not. saying it's good when it's not good. No, you're good.
That's good.
You're honest. Yeah, cheers.
Cheers.
To your health and to your hand.
Thank you.
Don't have a wrestler again. I'm sorry, your cup is a little smaller. But you're an extra, you see? And I am the main star. Wow. Wow. It's all empty.
Yes, very good.
It doesn't look as good as before, that's the problem. That was before and this is after. Wow. But that means the food is good, eh?
Yes, very good.
Well, I hope you guys don't mind the too small plate.
Oh no.
But this plate, I bought it just for the cooking show, you know. Normally, I don't use it myself. But I tasted the food is really good. I'm very happy with my cooking talent. It wasn't much of the cooking, that's the point. Mostly raw.
Yes.
This is so beautiful because they combine and just taste great together. Very simple and nutritious. Easy to make, easy to digest, easy to enjoy.
Yes.
I hope you don't mind the big plate. It's the same content.
Sure.
You guys eat more with a small plate than I eat with a big one. We share anyway. The thing is, when the plate is big, I like it better. So I can spread it out with the decorative pattern or make it look more presentable. Or you can do a smaller version, you know. But I like to spread it out. Like most of the people, if they're small, they like things big. And if they're big guys, they like small things. As big guys like small girls, and big women like small guys. You often see that.
Yes.
You often see a skinny guy and next to his wife are 4 times his size and double his height and everything, and they're very happy.
Yeah.
That seems like an ideal couple. And you see small girls always drive big and spacious car. And big guys sometimes love small, cute coupe. Anyway, it's the same content.
Yes.
Tastes just as good on a small plate.
Yes.
Anyway, we don't have enough room there to spread your wings. Yeah, I probably have to buy a new table, my goodness. This table is for my office work and cooking show. I use one thing for many things, so I don't have to buy a lot. I don't have to buy a big house either. Otherwise, I have to have a cooking showroom, yeah?
Yes.
Especially just for me. Look at my kitchen. I like that. So small, next to the wall, and don't have much of anything. And normally, when you do this kind of cooking show, you have to have an island kitchen. That means right in the middle of the room. Then you can show off everything and the camera right on your face. But I'm gonna get one day. If we have a new place, then make it showing, like you can see the face and what you're doing. It's easier than facing the kitchen wall, yeah? That's all. Okay, never mind. We still had many meals, facing the walls, cooking. It should be okay. The thing is, whatever we have is perfect, right? We can always manage. Okay, you want anything else?
No, thank you, Master. That was wonderful.
Yeah, I'm full.
Happy?
Oh, yes.
Very happy.
Wonderful.
Yes.
Me too. I truly am happy with my food. It was so simple but tasty.
Very tasty.
When you fry the seaweed, it's different than when you eat it raw, like sushi. So it's just a different taste.
Ingredients. For all ingredients, please use organic versions if available. For the deep fried seaweed with white rice and sesame, the ingredients are seaweed, oil for deep frying, sesame powder or toasted sesame, white or brown rice, bell pepper for garnishing. Sweet viewers, we have enjoyed your company today for A Gift of Love, simple and nutritious cooking with Supreme Master Ching Hai Vegan. Coming up next is The Fallen Angels, Part 4 of 8, on Between Master and Disciples, right after noteworthy news.